So this is an update of this model diesel engine starter, and I made this bigger. I made like a latch thing in here so that when you pull this back it latches up here and it stays back, and then to release it you can press it, then the Pawl hook comes out. Because what I found is when it starts spinning there's so much power, so much kinetic energy in a way in it, potential energy, whatever. Don't pick me up on my physics, wasn't that good, but okay. That the teeth would bang against this Pawl and either break the Pawl off or break the teeth on the ratchet off. So now when you pull it back it latches out the way until you're ready to re-trigger it, so to speak. I'll put some oil on here because it was sticking a bit. I think it could do with a bit stronger spring in here. I'll just talk about this part in here. I'll take this apart and show you the part in here because that is significant if you're building this, I think. Show you around briefly. Okay. So I just want to talk about this sort of Pawl here. It's printed in two parts because this needs supports on it. It does have this sort of mechanism that can be pressed. That's the latch on in the hole there as it comes back until you trigger it. Because of the supports it would be impossible to get in and clean the supports out, well, very difficult if it didn't come in two parts. So there's like a back plate here which the spring pushes against, and that needs, I just super glued mine onto here. This is PLA, simply enough. After taking out all the supports from inside, then gluing this on, and then the spring goes in there. There's a bit of like a tooth in there to help keep the spring in line. The spring certainly could do with being a bit longer. I wonder if I could stretch that. But basically I just wanted to show you that. Okay, so there's two parts and super glued together. If you're using ABS you could probably acetone them together. Just be careful you don't get super glue on anything else. Then the top goes on, and basically when the top's on properly it latches in here, and then you press that and the Pawl comes forward. Now this probably needs a bit more work, but I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm reasonably happy with that. I think this could do with raising a bit higher this square block on here so that latches on a bit more. But I have to watch how much I can bend it down. I can't bend it down too much. Okay, so that's an update of this model diesel engine starter.